High school football, Nipomo, California. The hometown Titans set to square off with Carpinteria. 3-0 Warriors first quarter. The Titans with a 2nd and goal at the 5. From the shotgun, Luke Shirtliff looks, can't find a receiver. Shirtliff breaks through an arm tackle and dives for the goal line. Touchdown Nipomo. The Titans led 6-3 after 1. Second quarter action. After hooking up with Tommy Signs on a 60-yard screen pass, Shirtliff connects with Signs again. 4 yards on the touchdown strike. Nipomo in control now, leading 12-3. Carpinteria answers later in the second quarter. 2nd and 8 at the Titan 33. Jacob Barbary and Xavier D'Alba open a hole and Jonathan Escada bounces right through it. David Olvera sets a nice downfield block and Escada takes it home. The Warriors trailed 12-9, but Nipomo would completely collapse at the end of the second quarter. Back-to-back Titan fumbles led to back-to-back Carpinteria touchdowns as Peter Ramos hits pay dirt from 2 yards out. 21 unanswered points. The Warriors led 24-12 at halftime. Third quarter, the nightmare continues for Nipomo. After a questionable pass interference penalty on 4th down, the Warriors set up 3rd and 3 at the 5. Peter Ramos walks into the end zone untouched for his 3rd score of the game, 31-12 Carpinteria. A Paul Cortez punt return touchdown made it 38-12. Later in the third, 1st and 10 for the Titans at their own 33. Luke Shirtliff fires to Quentin Bland on the slant route, but it's picked off by Ruben Garcia, and that led to another Peter Ramos touchdown. End of the third quarter now from the 32. Another Shirtliff pass gets tipped and intercepted. George Arroyo has it, and he's headed the other way. Nipomo loses 3 fumbles in the first half and throws 3 interceptions in the second half, and the Titans get hammered by Carpinteria 51-12.
In the beginning, we were just a little bit rusty, but after a few more plays, we started going hard, and it paid off. The line blocked well, really well, and it gave us holes, and we ran down the field really good.
Today was just our line, big holes. You could drive a car through those holes today. No, I didn't expect to have that many points. I just wanted to get a W because 0-2, didn't want to go 0-3.
That's how you finish! That's how you do it!